Do you remember how to build a computer?
I think so.
Okay, do you know what part are we going to start with? You're going to do one part at a time from off that shelf over there.
I don't know.
Okay, we're going to start with a motherboard. It's going to be the big one that says ROG Zenith Extreme Alpha. Yep, so take it out. Get it off the shelf. Remember? Okay.
Unbox it?
Yep, unbox it.
Ooh, what's that?
What's that?
It's an iPad.
It's an iPad. Is that supposed to be in there?
No.
This is...
What?
Well, how good have that got in there?
You guys?
Us?
Yeah.
Whose iPad do you think that is?
I don't know. Do you want to use yours?
One of our guys? I think just turned into an unboxing video. All right. You wanted to unbox an iPad.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I don't think I cut it.
It's a really sharp knife. All right.
So hard to open.
Well, I guess that's the iPad, huh?
Yeah.
Are you going to explain to people what you're unboxing?
Well, I guess it's an iPad 8th gen?
It's an iPad what?
8th gen?
8th gen?
And I don't know what it said. 128 gigabytes.
128 gigabyte. Mm-hmm. All right. Oh, he's going to do the peel. Whoa. All right. What else is in there?
Ooh. No, it's a charging block.
A charging block.
And
So
a
the
charging-
iPad 8th gen still comes with a charger.
Yeah.
I guess that's good then. Is there anything else in there or is that it?
I don't know what this is.
Got some user manual stuff.
Ooh, stickers.
Ooh, stickers. Now your task. Here's your task. You ready for your task? Okay, now you have 1 week to review the iPad Air 8th gen. And then you're going to come back ready to do a whole review video.
Okay.
You think you can do that?
Yeah.
You're happy?
Yeah, very happy. Thank you.
You can thank mommy over there.
Thank you.
She's the one that went out and found it. Battled the COVID crowds for it.
Ooh. Hello everybody, welcome to Elevated Systems. I'm your host Zane, and today I'm going to do a review of the iPad 8th Gen. This is like a kid review, so I'll talk about the things I use. It's been 12 days since I got it, and it's amazing. This is the 128 gigabyte version, and it's space gray. First, I will talk about the build and design. I think it's super thin and nice. It has a 10.2-inch display, and it's 1.08 pounds. On the inside, it has an A12 Bionic chip, which is better than the last iPad 7th gen. Now I will talk about school and cameras. The iPad is awesome for doing school online using Teams, but I haven't tried it on Zoom or WebEx. The front camera and the back camera are okay, but it works good enough for the teachers to see you. But if you have better lighting, it looks better. This is the front camera and the microphone. If I'm this is what they see if I'm on Teams or stuff like that. And this is the rear camera, so that's what it looks like. Here are some pictures. Now I want to talk about gaming. It works awesome for gaming like Among Us and Call of Duty Mobile. Cool side note, it comes with 3 months of Apple Arcade for free. But yeah, I had no problems with Call of Duty Mobile or any lagging or things like that. And no games ever crashed. The last thing I'm going to talk about are some cool little things about the iPad. First is the home button. The home button is also a fingerprint scanner. It works actually super good. I had no times where it would not read my finger or say my finger is wrong. The button also fills in your password for you. The second thing was the mic. I just had to include it because it's super good. It sounds super clear when you listen it back on voice memos. I only had a couple times when the mic did not pick up my voice right. The third thing was I got a cool case for it. It's called a Moco case on Amazon. It basically works the same as the Apple case, but it's cheaper and more protective. By more protective, I mean it has an actual case, not just the folio. It has 2 positions, one where it stands up like a computer, and one slightly slanted from lying down. It works with the 3 smart connectors, so when you close it, it turns off, and when you open it, it turns on. The fourth thing was Bluetooth. The iPad has Bluetooth 4.2, which is better than some Bluetooth. So for me, there's no offset in the voice of people if they are talking. When I use Bluetooth, I use JLab earbuds, and they work great on the iPad. The last thing is the speakers. They are super loud, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing though. All Apple said on their website was they were stereo speakers. That's my review for the iPad 8 Gen. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.